Top 5 Best CCS2 to Tesla EV Charger Adapter in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4. GUWIEYG CCS2 to Tesla ACDC Adapter fit for Tesla. The GUWIEYG CCS2 to Tesla ACDC adapter is a reliable tool for charging Tesla vehicles using a CCS2 charging station. Made from a blend of PCABS copper-silver materials, it offers durability and long-term reliability. The adapter supports both AC and DC charging, allowing Tesla owners to use non-Tesla CCS2 charging stations. It can handle up to 250 kW of maximum power and a maximum voltage of 1000 V, ensuring fast and efficient charging. The adapter can handle extreme environmental conditions, with an operating temperature range of -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Its waterproof design, rated IP54, ensures functionality even in rainy or dusty environments. The adapter is free from high-concern chemicals, making it a safe and environmentally friendly choice for electric vehicle charging needs. Despite its high power and performance, the adapter is compact, making it easy to store and transport. GUWIEYG, a trusted brand in mainland China, manufactures the adapter with great attention to detail, ensuring Tesla owners receive the best charging solution. Number 5. LONLINK CCS2 to Type 2 Tesla EV Charging Adapter Converter. Keep your Tesla Model S and Model X up to date with V3 supercharging technology. Use the CCS2 to Type 2 adapter to allow your car to enjoy a smoother and more convenient charging experience in a wider charging network. The maximum power is up to 250 kW, which greatly shortens the charging time of your Tesla and saves valuable time. Comprehensive upgrade of charging network coverage. The CCS2 to Type 2 adapter allows Model S and Model X to be charged at charging stations in more areas, allowing you to travel smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.